Hello everyone. In today's video, we will see how to put photos in TikTok comments on the iPhone. So let's get into it. Let's navigate to the TikTok app on your iPhone and tap to open it. Once the TikTok app opens up on the screen, from the right side, tap on this icon to open comments. If you want to add a photo in comment, hold on that specific comment. A menu pop up on the screen with some options. Select the first option, that is reply with video. It will take you in a new page. From the right bottom, open the upload option to open a media file. Before selecting files, make sure you enable select multiple option. Select the file that you want to add. And you can decide if you want to show comment on your video or remove by simply dragging up. Now tap on next. Here you can add text to reply, tag people or share location as well. Once you are all done, tap on post. Within a few seconds, your post will be published. The post is successfully added in the comment. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.